deck, 1996 Regal 402 Commodore. Here's the helm. The screen to the Garmin is a little burnt, but it does work. I took a picture of it. See way up on deck, there is the sun pad and a windlass and a spotlight. Center vent. Now, all the upholstery on this boat has been redone recently. It is in very nice shape. This is the helm seat. Again, all new upholstery. And all new canvas. All of this is brand new. It looks fantastic. And the seller does have a full zip-in camper canvas. You can see the zip right here. Zips all the way around to the back of the boat. And again, all this big L shapes of T, all new upholstery. All very nice. Nice big table, a lot of room back here. They even redid the cushion on top of the cooler. Alright, so there is a wet bar here with an ice maker. Open the ice maker, the U-line. Sink. Stereo. Big transom door. And there is a lift to get either a tender or a jet ski up on that rack. A nice big swim platform. And again, all the upholstery and all the canvas along with a full boat cover is all new. So that is completely taken care of. Here we are in the cabin of the 1996 Regal 402 Commodore. Very clean, hardwood floors. Brand new mattress in the master. A lot of room in here, good light. Good sized fridge in the galley. So a sink. And then a Princess electric stove. Microwave. Tea area. Entertainment system. Large aft cabin. Goes all the way back. The head here is very large, vacuum flush head with a sink and a shower stall. Door closes. Like that. So very big head on this boat. Very nice size. Stairs leading up. Here we go.